So, what exactly is sleepwalking? Well, basically, it is that you sleep, but during the sleep, you will walk. But how do people even do that? They are asleep. However, they can do very complex human functions like walking. Just imagine how hard it would be to teach a robot to walk without falling. Not only that, these people can talk, eat, dance, and even drive in their sleep.
And what exactly are you doing, ma'am?
It's a special code.
So, what's going on here? To answer that, we need to learn about our sleep. Our sleep cycle has 4 stages, which can be divided into 2 parts. First is non-rapid eye movement sleep, or non-REM sleep, and the second is rapid eye movement sleep, also known as REM sleep. In REM sleep, our body is really quiet, but the brain waves are super active. This is the stage where we see dreams. However, sleepwalking usually occurs during the deepest stage of non-REM sleep, also known as N3 sleep. This is what scientists call slow wave sleep, or the deep sleep. In deep sleep, your brain waves are really slow, but your body is still active and hasn't completely quieted down for the day, so it can still make some movements. In this stage, it's really hard for a person to wake up. However, sleepwalking can be triggered by various factors like stress, lack of sleep, certain medications, or even genetics. If someone does wake up, their brain will be awake, but some parts will still be in sleep mode. See, our brain has different regions for different functions. One region that stays asleep during sleepwalking is the prefrontal cortex. This is the decision maker of the brain. It's what gives you self-awareness and truly makes you who you are. It's also where you make those dumb decisions. However, the thing is that other areas of the brain can work independently of the prefrontal cortex. So, during sleepwalking, the motor cortex, which controls movement, the visual cortex, which processes visual information, and areas responsible for balance and language, can all be active without engaging with the prefrontal cortex. This means many parts of your brain can act without being self-aware. This is why sleepwalkers can perform complex tasks without realizing it. Their brain is in a state where movement and other functions are possible, but the decision maker is still asleep. So, what to do if you encounter a sleepwalker? Well, don't fear, just simply guide them back to the bed and they will be fine. And this is how sleepwalking works. It's an example of how complex and sometimes unpredictable our brains can be. So maybe your brain isn't as dumb as you think.